welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for August 4th, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, the sun rises at 5:47 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 8:06 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. 1 hour before daybreak, the bright gibbous moon, 90% illuminated, lights up the pre-dawn sky and terrestrial landscape from the south-southwest. It is less than halfway up in the sky. The lunar orb is 13.3 degrees to the upper left of Saturn and over 20 degrees to the upper right of Fomalhaut, the mouth of the southern fish. Neptune is 9.0 degrees to the upper left of the moon and beyond a binocular's field of view from the moon. Both fit into the same field tonight. Saturn is retrograding in front of Aquarius. The illusion is from Earth passing between the planet and the Sun. Earth is between them on the 27th. This event is known as opposition because they appear in opposite directions in the sky. When the moon is at its full phase, it is at opposition, rising at sunset and setting at sunrise. Opposition for the moon occurs every 29.5 days. Saturn's opposition occurs in intervals of about 378 days. This morning, bright Jupiter stands over halfway up in the southeast, 12.7 degrees to the lower left of Hammel, Aries' brightest star, and 11.3 degrees to the upper left of Menkar, the sea monster's nostril. The Jovian giant is slowly moving eastward in front of Aries. Look for the Pleiades star cluster, 17.1 degrees to the left of the planet. In the evening sky, the three evening planets are immersed in bright twilight. At sunset, brilliant Venus sets a few minutes after the Sun. It is overtaking our world, passing between Earth and the Sun on the 13th and moving quickly into the morning sky. By month's end, it rises nearly 2 hours before the Sun. Mercury, 3 evenings before its greatest elongation, dims each evening. At 30 minutes after sundown, it is less than 3 degrees above the horizon, a challenging view. Mars, after its 2-year trek through the starry background, is on a slow fade toward its solar conjunction on November 12th. The planet is quite dim and even an hour after sundown, it is a challenging observation. When Mars reappears in the morning sky, Venus passes it February 22, 2024. As Saturn approaches its opposition, it rises about an hour after sundown. At opposition, it rises at sunset. Each night, it rises about 4 minutes earlier. 3 hours after nightfall this evening, the ringed wonder is about 20 degrees up in the southeast, over 25 degrees to the upper right of the moon that is 83% illuminated. As the midnight hour approaches in Chicago, Neptune and the moon fit into the same binocular field of view. This view is challenging because the moon and planet are low in the sky, and the bright moonlight that is amplified through the binocular hampers the scene. 4 stars that assist with the planet's identification are in the binocular field with Neptune and the moon. On the accompanying chart, they are identified by their catalog numbers. No named stars are in the field. Once they are located, move the binocular slightly to move the moon out of the field. Neptune's color is aquamarine and distinctly dimmer than the stars that appear nearby. Through the binocular, the planet appears as a dim star. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.